In this video, I'm going to do a speed comparison of a site built 3 times in different ways using Joomla. 2 times using Joomla 3 and 1 time using Joomla 4. Brought to you by mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Head on over to mysites.guru and get a free site audit for it. Hey there Joomla fans, Tim Davis here. Thanks for tuning in to another video here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also work on Joomla sites, maintain them, and migrate them to Joomla 4, so if you're looking to hire someone long-term or short-term, or even just to get you out of a spot, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com. Okay, so here's the deal. I had a client site that was built in Joomla 3 using a template and the Astroid Framework system. And then I converted that site, or we converted, my team converted that site, redid the template in Template Creator CK, and that was in Joomla 3. And then we migrated that site to Joomla 4 using the same Template Creator CK template. So I thought it was a great opportunity just to look at the speed differences between those 3 sites. Now, a couple things I just want to get out of the way. First of all of these sites are running PHP 7.4. I'm going to come out with another video comparing different PHP versions and the speed. So subscribe if you want to get notification when that comes out. Second of all, the first site is in Astroid Framework. I'm not picking on Astroid, it's just the framework that it happened to be in. And it's the older Astroid Framework, not the one that's been picked up since JoomDev stopped promoting or developing it. So again, I'm not trying to hurt anyone's feelings or pick on anyone. It's just what the site happened to be in, all right? And the other thing I want to say is the reason that my company is using Template Creator CK for doing our template work and recreating templates that aren't compatible for Joomla 4 is because it's not a framework. It's actually just constructing the template. It's not loading a whole bunch of things that frameworks do. Because a framework loads lots of things that might be used on each page load, whereas with Template Creator CK and the templates it makes, it just loads what is needed for each page. So we'll see if that's faster. So with those things in mind, let's turn our attention to the screen and check it out. So first we start off with my client site that is built in Astroid Framework. And you'll see the first place that I'm doing this testing is GTmetrix. So this site built in Joomla 3 Astroid Framework receives from GTmetrix a score of 83% for performance, 97% for structure. Its largest contentful paint is 1.2 seconds, and we can see that in the waterfall down here, 1.2 seconds. So that's the stats on that. Now, going over to Google PageSpeed stats, you'll see that PageSpeed Insights ranks that site, giving it a performance of 70 on mobile, and you will see the numbers here: 3.4 seconds for first contentful paint, 4.4 seconds to interactive. Speed index 4.5 seconds, and if we go up here and switch to desktop, you'll see that it is ranked at 88 for performance, first contentful paint 0.8 seconds, speed index 1.1 seconds, largest contentful paint 0.9 seconds, time to interactive 1 second. Okay, total blocking time 20 milliseconds. So on there, 88 for desktop, 70 for mobile. Now let's check out the same site, only using a template that's built with Template Creator CK. So here is the template that we recreated the look of from the previous version in the framework and Astroid Framework. And so let's see how it scores. At GTmetrix, its score goes up to 97% for performance, 97% for structure, largest contentful paint, 1 second, and you can see that the time to load here, fully load it, is 1.1 seconds. If we go over to PageSpeed Insight, you'll see that the performance of the mobile is given 86, first contentful paint 3 seconds, speed index 3, largest contentful paint 3.3 seconds, time to interactive 3.2, total blocking time 60 milliseconds, and desktop is scored at 99 with a first contentful paint of 0.8 seconds, speed index of 0.9 seconds, and the largest contentful paint 0.8 seconds, 0.8 to interactive. All right, now let's check out this same site which was migrated to Joomla 4. And so it's running in Joomla 4, but it's using the same template from Joomla 3 because Template Creator CK templates are compatible with both 3 and 4, which is why we rebuild them, the templates in 3 before migrating to 4, so there's not interruption. Okay, so as you can see, the site does not change at all because we're using the same template. Does not change in appearance, but let's check out the performance. GT Metrics gives this 97%, a 94% in structure, the largest contentful paint 962 milliseconds, fully loaded time is 1 second, and cumulative layout shift is 0.07. Total blocking time 0 milliseconds. Now let's see what PageSpeed Insights says here. It ranks the site, giving it 89 for mobile with a first contentful paint 2.8 seconds, speed index 2.8 seconds, largest contentful paint 3.1 seconds, time to interactive 2.8 seconds, total blocking time 10 milliseconds. And for desktop, it ranks it at 99, giving it 0.8 seconds for first contentful paint, 0.9 seconds speed index, 0.8 seconds largest contentful paint, and time to interactive 0.8 seconds. So there you have it, some fun testing on a project we were doing already, and some information for you to consider if you are redesigning your Joomla site or in the process of migrating your site from Joomla 3 to Joomla 4. Subscribe for more videos like this. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.